In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide page title in WordPress using no plugins. Whether you're looking to create a cleaner design, remove unnecessary clutter, or simply customize the look of a specific page, hiding the page title can go a long way in achieving a more polished website. The best part, you don't need any plugins or extra tools to do this. Just a few simple steps directly within WordPress. So let's get started and transform your page layout in minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Once you're on the home page, locate the login option. This is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now when you're prompted to log in, select the Continue with Google option. This is a great way to streamline the process by using your existing Google account credentials. It's faster, easier, and saves you the trouble of remembering another username and password. Next, choose the Google account you normally use with WordPress and allow the necessary permissions to complete the login process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. From here, look for the Pages section in the dashboard menu and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the pages on your site. Now, browse through the list and find the page where you want to hide the title. When you've identified the page, hover over its name and click on the Quick Edit option. Quick Edit is a handy feature that allows you to make changes to the page settings without opening the full editor. It's perfect for small tweaks like this. In the Quick Edit view, locate the page title field. Here you have two options. You can either delete the existing title text completely, or if you prefer to leave a placeholder for organizational purposes, simply add a single space in the field. Either approach will tell WordPress not to display the title on the front end of your site. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click the Update button to save them. This step finalizes your modifications and ensures your changes are applied to the page settings. Now, it's time to preview your work. Visit your site and navigate to the page where you just made the change. You should see that the page title is no longer visible. Keep in mind that any updates made through Quick Edit are applied immediately, so you won't need to wait for the changes to take effect. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the page title in WordPress without using any plugins. By following these steps, you now have more control over how your pages look and can make quick, impactful design changes to your site. If you have any questions or additional tips for customizing WordPress pages, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.